Hi everyone, my name is Anita Muthukumaran. I'm a teacher of students with visual impairments. I'm a graduate assistant to Dr. Paula Conroy. I just wanted to create this audio presentation to help teachers to mark up moments in Vosaic Connect video. So what is Vosaic Connect? Vosaic Connect is a software that allows teachers and student teachers to take a video of themselves doing a lesson with students or evaluating students and mark up moments in the video that can be assessed by their evaluators or advisors. According to me, I think I would use it as an evidence tool to show my evaluator that I incorporated certain components in my teaching practice. I would also use these moments to look at and reflect upon for my future lessons. So what do you need? You need to be able to log in into Vosaic Connect. Dr. Conroy would have given you your login ID and password. You need to videotape a lesson with a student using a phone or a tablet. And you need to upload the video into Vosaic Connect. It is faster. I've noticed that I took a video of myself teaching a student and then using an iPad. And then I uploaded into Google Drive. And I used a computer to upload it into Vosaic Connect. I find that faster than uploading through an app of Vosaic Connect. So you need to be able to do all of this before you mark up the video. So you need to have a video to mark it up. So the main components of Vosaic Connect, it has something called forms. What are forms? I would consider forms like a traditional paper form to evaluate performances. Like, say, my evaluator will have a checklist of our standards that she needs to see whether I'm practicing in my teaching practice. So form is like the template, the digital template of evaluation. It has several components in it. So and we kind of check it off. Oh, I see this happening and things like that. Example, so this whole exercise is under explicit instruction lesson, and a form is created called setting the stage for learning. So explicit instruction has 6 components, so it has 6 different forms. The first form is setting the stage for learning. And what are buttons? Buttons are like the bullet points in each form. So each form that is created has several buttons, and each of it is assigned to a component we are checking. So it's just the bullet points that is there in the form. So for the form, setting the stage for learning, we would probably want to be evaluated on capturing student interest. Are we capturing the student interest? Are we stating our learning objective? And the purpose of the lesson has been explained, or student restating the lesson objective, and if the teacher is connecting the lesson to prior knowledge. All this fall under setting the stage for learning. So you have the digital template, you have the checklist, different components of that template that forms is the digital like bullet points. That's the buttons. And then you have the moments. So these moments are created by you. This is the process of marking up of your video. This is entire creating moments is marking up your video. After you upload the video and when you're ready to mark up, you choose a form and click on the buttons as and when you see that component in the video. For example, if you want to mark up the video for the form, setting the stage for learning, then as you're watching the video, if you see yourself actually stating the learning objective, you click on the button stating learning objective. This starts the moment, and you click the moment again to end the moment. A moment is then created for the evaluator to see or for you to reflect upon for that specific component, stating learning objective. So it's basically, instead of watching the whole video, you click just those moments to see whether that has been incorporated into your learning practice. So first, let's just, this direction, this PowerPoint presentation will help you watch already marked up videos and also help you how you can mark up the video, your own video as well. So first thing, you have to log in into Vosaic, and once you log in, you will see a screen kind of like this, and After this, you need to choose a video. So let's just go through the process of first how you watch a marked up video, and then we can go through how you can mark up yourself. So in order to watch already marked up video, my video that I created is the explicit instruction teaching to write dates. That's the video, that's a lesson that's a video that I created, I uploaded. So choose that video in the screen under browse videos. So you just choose that, click on that. And then as soon as you click, you will come with this screen, and it has something called watch and mark up the video. Click on that, watch and mark up the video. And then now we are going to look at the marked up videos. So just like how I mentioned earlier, explicit instruction has 6 components, and those are the 6 components: setting the stage for learning, explaining to students what to do, modeling the process, guided practice, independent practice, closure assessment. And each form has buttons using which you can mark up your video or moments. So in order to first watch any moment that has already been marked, select the Forms tab on the top. There are 2 tabs. There is something called Forms and there's something called Moments. Click on the Forms tab. And then go to Change Button Form, and you will see a drop down of all the 6 forms that has been created. Setting the stage for learning, explaining to students what to do, modeling the process, guided practice, independent practice, and closure assessment. Choose the form that you would like to see moments for. So say I chose setting the stage for learning. And the next step is, this is a very important step. In order to watch the video that has already been marked, you need to go to the Moments tab on the left, on the top again. So go to the Moments tab, and then you will see all these videos that has already been captured. So there is a video for capture student interest and connect prior knowledge, and it is 26 seconds long. So you can just click on that play button, and you can watch that video that has been marked for this particular button, capture student interest and connect prior knowledge. So it's very important, in order to watch the moments that you already created, you go back to the Moments tab and you will see all the videos that has been already marked. The next step is, if you want to mark up the video, if you want to do it yourself, choose the you don't have to do it in this video because this is mine, but maybe Dr. Conroy will give you a new video that you can mark up. So choose that video and then go to the form, and then you can select the form that you want to mark up. Say you want to mark, again, maybe setting the stage for learning. And select the Forms tab and choose that form. And then after that, you need to play the video, and that's you choose that form. Remember, just stay in this same screen. Don't go to Moments. Just stay in the same screen and then play the video. So play the video by clicking the play button here. So as you are watching the video, say the video is going on, it's going on, and as you're watching the video, you see a component where maybe the teacher is stating the learning objective, say. Then you click on that button. You click it once. And as soon as you click, the button changes color and the shade just keeps moving, which means it's recording that for you, that moment. And then as soon as the teacher finishes that moment, which is stating the learning objective, you want to stop the moment, you want to click that button again. And then the moment is recorded. The color changing stops happening. And then you can go back to the Moments tab to watch the moment that you just recorded. So the forms and buttons for explicit instruction has been already created for you. So all you need to do is to upload the video and mark up the video using this PowerPoint directions, and also watch already marked up videos. In case you're interested to learn more about Vosaic Connect, the user manual can be found in this link. The PowerPoint is also going to be shared with you. So I hope you have a good experience with Vosaic Connect, and thank you so much. Bye-bye.